Hello everyone! We're super excited for our video today. We all know that children learn languages in a natural way, and parents can take advantage of this and help their kids improve their communication skills. Today, I'm here with my daughter,
Helena,
and my nephews,
Thiago,
and
Pedro,
and we're going to give you some tips to help children communicate better in English. So get your kids and watch this video. Okay, boys and girls, today I'm going to tell you the story of the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. There were 3 little pigs that decided to build a house. The first pig used straws. The second pig used wood to make his house. And the third pig used bricks. Helena, what did the first pig use to make his house?
I don't know.
So, boys and girls, today I'm going to tell you the story of the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. There were 3 little pigs that decided to build a house. The first pig used straw to make his house. The second pig used wood to build his house. And the third pig used bricks. So who can tell me what the first pig used to make his house? Yes, Helena?
Straw.
Ah, very good. And what did the second pig use?
Wood.
Excellent. And what did the third pig use?
Bricks.
Very good, Pedro. Good job. So the 3 little pigs built their house. Did you notice anything different between the 2 scenes? In the first scene, the children weren't paying attention and they were doing other things, like using their cell phones and playing games. So they weren't really listening to what I was saying. That's why when I asked them a question, they didn't know how to answer. Now in the second scene, they were all looking at me and really paying attention to what I was saying. And this made it much easier for them to answer my questions. This is called active listening, when you are focused, looking at the person who is speaking and paying attention. Helena, please make your presentation.
My name is Helena and I'm 7. My favorite color is pink. I play to the piano.
That was really good. But let me give you some tips to help you make your presentation even better. Helena, you're doing great. But let's try looking at your cousins and me at the same time when you are speaking. Instead of looking down, look at us, okay? Look in my eyes, okay?
Okay.
All right. And you can speak louder. You can project your voice so we can understand better what you're saying, okay? That's okay if you're shy. Just imagine they are wearing really funny hats. Okay, Helena, let's try it again using the tips, huh?
My name is Helena and I'm 7. My favorite color is pink and I play the piano.
Did you see how we couldn't understand what Helena was saying in the first scene? This is because she was speaking very quietly and not looking at us. She was looking down. But in the second scene, we were able to understand everything she was saying because she was speaking clearly and loudly. This is called projecting your voice. The next time you have to speak in front of your teacher and friends, remember to project your voice and look at your audience. What's your favorite online game?
I like to play Fortnite.
I like Fortnite too. I disagree. I don't like Fortnite.
Do you think the conversation is going to continue? Probably not. When you're talking to someone, it's important to give a reason why you like something or why you don't like something. What's your favorite online game?
I like to play Fortnite because a different game.
I agree. I like Fortnite too. I disagree. I don't like Fortnite because it's a difficult game. I prefer Batman.
Did you see how the conversation was more engaging? When you're talking to other people and you have the same opinion as the person who is speaking, you can use the phrase, I agree. When you have a different opinion from who is speaking, you can say, I don't agree or I disagree. And be sure to give a reason why you don't agree with the person who is speaking to keep the conversation going. And when you talk about what you like, you can use the phrase, I prefer. Well guys, these were our tips to help you communicate better in English. Do you have any other tips you use when you're speaking English? Leave a comment and tell me in the comment section. If you enjoyed these tips,
Like the video?
and if you're new here, don't forget to
Subscribe to the channel.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.